In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain in Cloudways. If you've used traditional hosting before, Cloudways can feel a little different at first. There isn't a simple create subdomain button. Instead, Cloudways treats each subdomain like its own separate application environment, which is actually a great thing because it keeps your setup clean, isolated, and easier to manage. This is especially useful for things like staging sites, membership areas, regional stores, or development versions of a website. To get started, open your browser and sign in to your Cloudways account. Once you're inside the platform, go to the Servers tab at the top and choose the server where your projects are hosted. In the top right area, click Add App. From here, select the application type you want to use, such as WordPress, WooCommerce, or custom PHP. Give the new application a clear name so you can recognize it later, then click Add Application. Cloudways will now provision a fresh application container for your subdomain, and this usually takes a couple of minutes. Once that's ready, go to the Applications tab and open the application you just created. On the Access Details page, find the public IP field. This is the IP address your subdomain will point to, so copy it carefully. Now open a new browser tab and log into the platform where your domain is managed. This could be your registrar or DNS provider. Go to the DNS management section for your main domain and create a new A record. In the host or name field, enter only the subdomain prefix. For example, if you want shop.yourdomain.com, you would type shop. In the value or points to field, paste the public IP address you copied from Cloudways. Leave the TTL on automatic or 1 hour, then save the record. DNS changes can take a little time to start working, so keep that in mind. Next, return to Cloudways and inside your application dashboard, open Domain Management from the left-hand menu. Click Add Domain, then enter the full subdomain such as shop.yourdomain.com and save the change. After that, find the subdomain in the list, open its options menu, and set it as the primary domain for that application. The last main setup step is security. In the same application menu, open SSL certificate, leave Let's Encrypt selected, enter your email address, add the full subdomain, and click Install Certificate. This enables free HTTPS protection for the subdomain. Finally, do a quick verification pass. Make sure the domain appears correctly in Cloudways. Confirm the SSL status is active, and check that your DNS record points to the correct server IP. Once everything is in place, your subdomain